In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a classified ads website with WordPress and Elementor. We're going to walk through the full setup in a simple, practical way so you can build a site that looks professional and actually works for visitors who want to browse or post listings. First, you'll need to secure your hosting and domain. This is the foundation of your website, so choose a reliable provider that offers fast performance and easy WordPress setup. Your domain is the web address people will type in to find your site, and your hosting is where all of your website files live. Picking solid hosting at the beginning can save you a lot of headaches later, especially for a classified ad site where speed and stability matter. Once that's ready, install WordPress using your hosting panel's one-click installer. This gives you access to your WordPress dashboard, which is where you'll control everything on your site. WordPress is ideal for this kind of project because it's flexible, beginner-friendly, and works well with design and listing tools. Next, go to Appearance and then Themes, and choose a lightweight theme that works well with page builders such as Astra. A lightweight theme keeps your site fast and gives Elementor more room to handle the design without unnecessary clutter. For a classified site, that clean structure is especially helpful. After that, head over to Plugins, then add New, search for Elementor Website Builder, and install and activate it. Elementor gives you visual control over your pages, so instead of coding layouts manually, you can drag and drop sections, text, images, buttons, and more. It makes the design process much easier and more intuitive. Now install a dedicated classified listing tool, such as an AI-powered classified listing plugin from WordPress.org or HivePress. This is the engine that powers the core features of your marketplace. It can automatically create front-end submission forms, user account dashboards, search functionality, and category pages, which are essential for any classified ads website. With those core pieces in place, you can start building and designing your layouts with Elementor. This is where you shape the look and feel of the site, including your homepage, listing pages, and any supporting pages users will interact with. Keep the design clean and easy to navigate so visitors can quickly find categories, search listings, and submit their own ads. Then move into configuring your forms, locations, and monetization settings. This is where you decide what information users must provide when posting an ad, how location-based listings are organized, and how you plan to make money, whether through paid submissions, featured listings, or other built-in options from your listing plugin. Finally, test everything before launch. Submit sample listings, check the search and category filters, review the user dashboard, and make sure the site looks good on desktop and mobile. Once everything feels smooth and complete, you're ready to launch your classified ads website.